California officials are warning of travel chaos over the weekend as one of the largest land border crossings in the world closes for construction. The San Ysidro port of entry, between San Diego, California and Tijuana, Mexico, will close to southbound travelers for 57 hours. Pedestrian, tram, and bus crossings, as well as northbound car travel from Mexico, will not be affected. Tens of thousands of people pass through the border every day. The $741 million, £546 million expansion project is expected to cause traffic delays until it is completed in 2019. The closure of southbound Interstate 5 and I-805 starts on Saturday at 3 o'clock, 8 o'clock GMT, and remains in effect until noon on Monday. Vehicle travelers to Mexico have been advised to detour to the Otay Mesa Land crossing, about 9 miles to the east, until the crossing reopens. On any given day, San Ysidro processes an average of 50,000 northbound vehicles and 25,000 northbound pedestrians coming from Mexico. The U.S. General Services Administration decided to undertake the project after estimating an 87% increase in vehicle traffic by the year 2030. It aims to realign the I-5 motorway, where it connects to Mexico's El Chaparral port of entry, and double the number of